I'm drinking wine today. Yes, I am. Cheers to you guys. This is gonna be a fun video. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys these tools that I got at Ulta, and they're by Pur. They're called Pillow Blend, and they're like the artist brush, guys, but they also are like the beauty blenders that came out quite some time ago, and they're like silicone-y, like these. I have two of them actually, one softer than the other one. Ta-da! So I'm super curious on how these will work. So yeah. Okay guys, so if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A, and if you're my loyal subscribers, welcome back. I'm super excited. I am drinking wine, so I'm a little bit more excited than normal, but it is what it is. Alright guys, so if you want to watch this video and see if these work, then please stay. Please stay. Okay guys, so I'm going to put a primer on my face, and the girl at Ulta, she told me when I was buying these that I can use these for foundation, or I can also use it to put on like my moisturizer. Maybe she was saying it because maybe she knew that they were not going to work with foundation. That could be it. But I'll put my primer on first with one of them, okay, and then I guess I'll clean it off and then put my foundation. But before I put the primer on, I do want to compare the silicone ones, the feeling of them compared to these, okay? I do have two different silicone ones. So one is a little bit rough. I think I got this one at Murphy, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on it. I don't have the packaging. I have no idea. And this beauty blender that is silicone, I got at Marshall, and it's called Bungalow, and it was $2.99. So it says it right there. So I want to see if this right here, the applicator, feels like these two, like either of these two, because one is a little bit more rougher than this one. This one's a little softer. This one's like, kind of reminds me of possibly if you had like breast implants before, you know, when they give you the silicone to feel them. I think this one feels like that. I don't have fake boobs, okay guys? I'm just assuming that it will feel like this. Like they're soft. This one's soft. I'll tell you this, guys. This is the good breast implant. This is the bad breast implant. This is hard like a mofo. Why am I on YouTube? Why? Because I'm a mess. So if I were going to compare the two compared to this, I would say the softer one, the good implant, is kind of similar to the Pur Pillow Blend. Yeah, they're really similar. They're so soft. I don't remember how much I paid for these for, but I remember them being pretty reasonable, maybe like a $39.99, something in that range, because I remember wanting to buy them because they were reasonable. So I will put the price somewhere here so you guys can know the price. But like I said, I do remember them being really reasonable, so that's good to know. If they do turn out to be wonderful, then you guys can go get them at Ulta. That's where I found them. I'm not sure if Sephora has them, but I'm sure they do. Alright guys, so let's move on. Like I said, I'm going to put my primer on. On one side of my face, I'm thinking of using this little beauty blender, the one that's soft, that feels like the Pur one. And I'm going to put the Dr. Brent primer on this one, and I'm just going to put it on this side. I just want to compare and see, because remember, this cost me $2.99. This was $39.99, but there are also 4 of them here, and this is just one. Okay, so you don't have to put a lot, I guess. Okay, so while that primer like goes into my skin, I am going to put more primer, but with the Pur Pillow Blend, and I'm going to put still the primer on the Pur Pillow Blend. Put it right here, and then feels the same. Okay guys, so moving on, I'm going to put my foundation one side with this little beauty blender, and then the other side with this beauty blender. Okay. So guys, remember, when you use these silicone beauty blenders, you cannot put too much foundation on the beauty blender, just because this beauty blender does not soak in the foundation like regular beauty blenders. So you just have to be very careful on how much foundation we put on. Already did a dot here, and then I'm gonna do another dot there, and I hope to gosh that I didn't put too much foundation on the Beauty Blender. So I'm gonna put it, tap it all around, and then okay guys, so with the Bungalow Beauty Blender, I think it blends beautiful. Like this side looks great. So now I'm gonna go into this side with the Pure and see if they're similar. But this Beauty Blender by Bungalow really did a nice job. Alright, so I'm gonna just do 2 dots just like I did in this side. I'm gonna do 2 dots on the Pillow Blend and then blend my whole entire side of my face, the side that I didn't do. It does feel a little bit different when I'm putting it on my face, like compared to the Bungalow. The Bungalow's a little softer, but this Beauty Blender is awesome too. Wow. I love that this has like little corners. You can get like in your like around underneath your eye. My face looks like I was airbrushed, so on both sides it looks so freaking good. I'm so impressed. I really am. I didn't think it would work. I'm actually going to try to contour one side of my face with the Pure and one side of my face with the Bungalow and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Bungalow and I'm going to see if I can blend this contour out. Okay guys, so then moving on to this side, I'm going to use the Pure Beauty Blender. I do want to tell you guys that as I was blending, I was wiping my Beauty Blender, the Bungalow, on a towel as I was like blending in, because remember guys, the product stays like right on top. So if you're trying to blend, you need to like get rid of some of the product that stays on the Bungalow. Does that make sense? So as you're blending, kind of wipe a little bit and make your Beauty Blender a little bit cleaner and then blend. Alright, here we go. Here we go. See how it's like there's still some on here? You gotta wipe that. Okay, let's see what happens with the nose. Actually, I'm gonna use a smaller one for the nose, and it's actually clean and it's just, you know, it's tiny. Okay guys, so that is it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if I were you, I would go run and get, first of all, the Beauty Blender that I got it at Marshall's. It's $2.99, and the Pur Pillow Blend are at Ulta. You guys, I love them like so much, both of them. So yeah, run and get them. The price is so reasonable. On the Bungalow you can get it at Marshall's, and then the Pillow Blend you can get them at Ulta, and I remember not paying a lot of money for them. That's why I bought them. So yeah, so I think that you guys should get them for sure. So with that said guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe and share my video. If you guys like my video, there's a little share arrow, and then you can just share it to different friends through their email. So with that said guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days. Bye.